I had to come out here, guys, to talk to you guys so that you guys can see what peace is really like. This is all free. This is the world. This is the world around us. There are buildings, there are people, there's water, there's land, there's the sun, there's light, and then there's you and your dreams and what you want to achieve. And all of that can be possible. All of this was somebody's dream and they made it possible. They found a way to bring their dreams into reality. To have that building, to have this beach, to have people here. Somebody thought about that. Somebody had to think about that and make it into reality. They had to turn their dream into something physical, something real here in this world. And that's what we are here to do. That's what everybody is here to do. To turn your dreams and your ideas into reality. To manifest. To be able to make something out of nothing. To be able to bring to life everything you have within you. We all have a big dream within us that we are supposed to bring to light. We are all supposed to bring our creative self out in this world, because that's what this world is for. We are here to manifest. We are here to make our dreams come true. And they have made their dreams come true, so it is possible for us to do the same. We can make our dreams come true. We all just have to visualize and manifest that into reality. And the way you do that is by feeling like you already done it. Feel like you already there. Wherever it is you want to be. Your greatest self, your best self, the person that makes, the person whose dreams come true. Who is that person to you? And become that person now. Feel like that person would feel. Act like that person would act. Think like that person would think. You have to believe it physically, emotionally, and internally, so that the outer world can bring it to life. You won't be able to manifest unless you do this. You must think, act, and feel as if you've already done it, and let the universe do the rest. But do the work. That doesn't mean don't do the work. You still have to do the work. You still have to work hard for the things that you want to do. You have to fail. You have to try. You have to at least try. After you try and you fail, then you must keep going. You must stay consistent. You must have discipline. You can't just try, give up, and try again and give up. You're not gonna get nowhere. You have to stay consistent. You have to keep going. You have to build foundation. Build for yourself a plan that you can follow through every day. A plan that is not hard to do, but that gets things done. Always get things done. Don't ever stop the motion. It's harder to pick that motion back up once you give up on it, or once you stop for a while, or once you take a break. Just keep going. Don't stop. Keep failing. If you're making failures, you're at least trying. You're part of the 2-3% of people who try. If you're trying, you're doing something. Keep doing it. And if you're failing, keep improving your craft. Make the best out of your life by at least trying. Don't have regrets at the end of your life thinking, what could I have done? My dreams, I could have achieved them, but I didn't. So don't have any regrets. Our time is now. Act now. Act as soon as possible. Act today. Act in the moment. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't procrastinate. Build discipline and stay consistent. Keep going. Don't stop. Your dream is achievable. You can do it, but you have to stay consistent and learn the ways to succeed. In order to learn the way to success, you must make failures, because with failures comes learning. And once you learn something, you don't forget it. And it's easier for you to do something that you've done multiple times and you've already figured out the way to do it, the best way to do it. Because if you've done it multiple times, multiple ways, you found the best way to do it, and now you are a master at your craft. So you must master your own life. We give away 8 hours a day to a job, to a corporation, to the system. Most people work a 9 to 5 and they give more than 40 hours a week to their job. Most people give their whole life away to the job. Don't be that person. Give your life to your dreams. Give your life to your calling. Give your life to your mission. Don't give up on that mission. That's what you're here to do. Your only mission is to achieve your mission, not anybody else's mission, not the system's mission, but your own mission. You must complete the mission.